production demands grow, tire manufacturers need smaller, more nimble operations. At Steelastic, we are modernizing tire plants and setting the standard for fast, flexible tire component manufacturing with our breakthrough calendarless process. Our cap strip system is designed to streamline your manufacturing process without sacrificing productivity or quality. For decades, tire manufacturers have relied on traditional calendar-based manufacturing to produce cap strip material, a laborious multi-step process that yields high scrap material, as well as cut, crossed, and exposed cords. With a Steelastic cap strip system, our single-operator cell eliminates unnecessary labor and material handling while improving the dimensional characteristics and quality of your tires. Designed for accurate and uniform cord placement, our system delivers full cord encapsulation and eliminates the chance of cut or crossed cords exposed to the environment. Compatible with steel and single-end textile cords, our system is fully customizable to your precise strip gauge and width and allows for ultra-fast tooling changeovers in under 30 minutes. Contact Steelastic today and go calendarless with your cap strip system.